Alright, I had a PO171 code. Tells me it's burning too rich. And I didn't do a video of any of what I just did. But it was burning too rich, PO171, which means there's a vacuum leak. I figured my vacuum leak was going to be exactly where I found it. And that was way back there. Way back here on the back of the engine, there's an elbow that goes like that and into the vacuum on the top of the back of the engine. Okay, and then comes out to this plastic piece right here. Okay, now last time when I did that, I couldn't find the elbow. Nobody had it, so I rigged it with hose. But the hose expanded. It was a little kinked back in there where it came off the engine this way and then had to come over 90 degrees. It was a little kinked, but that wasn't a problem. It was the hose expanded with the heat of the engine and was letting too much air between where it goes into the engine and the little nipple sticking out of the back. So I figured that was where I did not want it, is where it was going to be. So I pulled the hose off, got my original plastic tubing with that white on it. That's the plastic tubing. And then I found the elbow that I needed, because it's like ½ inch inside diameter on one end of the elbow and 3/8 diameter on the other end of the elbow, and they're hard to find. But I got it, found it, and I replaced it. Got my hand back under there. You try getting your hand under there. Of course, I had this off. You get your hand all the way back in there between that firewall on the back of the engine there, and push towards the front of the engine to get it on there. But then I put the hose on for my PCV system. I put my clamps on it and reset the engine code, and now she's running smooth again. But that in itself took me normally 2 weeks. With the gas prices the way they are, I'd put about $43 worth of gas in this after 2 weeks. And this time I just put gas in it. I put almost $54 worth of gas in it. So that's how much fuel, how rich it is burning, how much gas mileage I was losing. Now it's back to us idling smoothly, and that part is fixed. Total cost, you're talking maybe at a shop about $500. Total cost to me was like $1. Well, I got some clamps I didn't need to get. I just got in case I needed them. I put them on anyway. So the clamps were like $3. The elbow was like under $2. So just say $5, and it took me about 20 minutes to do. So say $500.